how to check Android phone activation date. So look, Android can provide you the exact date that phone has activated. So alternatively, you can find that activation date from another method. So let's get started. So on this process, you will have to open your Google account, like from the settings, and here you have to click on the Google, and here you have to click on manage your Google account. So after that, you will have to go for the security option, and here you scroll down and find the option like your devices. Like you can see how many devices are logged into your Google account. Like in my case, my Google account is connected in two systems. First one is Android phone and second in my computer. So to find the Android activation date, you will have to click on this your device section, and you will have to click on this Android phone. It's a security feature, so I'm simply clicking it. Like you can see in this section, you will find the option like first sign in. Here the first sign in was in 5th March of 2024. So this is the process to find the exact activation date of your Android. Like if you buy a new Android phone, the first step you will do is that you will connect your Google ID. So from that sign in date, you can easily find the exact date of your Android activation. So likewise, alternatively, you can find your Android phone activation date. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.